Filipino. Beautiful. That's a wizard for the ball.
Lefty Nola pass.
The bench. Oh, what a pass! CBC with the finish. The wraparound special galing kay Gino Mosqueda.
Pinamagandang boss na Gino Mosqueda. Beautiful looks from Gino.
Where are you going, ladies and gentlemen? Nakakapagod special para ating campaign sa John Ryan Cruz. Mosqueda, a special delivery. For his points. Second to the shot clock. Copy. What a goal! That was nasty. Cyrus Copy. That's a righteous crossover. He's been for greatness. And what a goal. Step back, set up, righteous crossover. Oh, what a finish! Gonzalez wants to pose on the other side because he wants to step back to drop. LJ Gonzalez. It is his time in the fourth quarter, 67 to 63.
So again, the offense of NJ and defense of JC.
This is a mix of great goal of the game. For greatness. Gets the ball to LJ. Santiago, that's a risky pass. Levantado, Dobson, to Simon, who's fouled? The basket will count for Simon Santiago. This is the game brought to you with One Expert, the title sponsor of the NPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel the game with One Expert. Gatman's voice right there up on display. Boom, again! Boom, Campos with a throwdown. Just gliding that one and hammering that one home. Boom, Campos, couple of dunks here in the final period. Daniel with three. Started with the rebound. Right to my bed. Let's give it this in. Marquette gets it back. And throws it down. He drops the hammer out of nowhere. Leon Marquette taking off with their right hand right there. Nobody challenging anything. Rebound Gredo. They got the goal out. Abdul has it. Someone inside. Every time. 8.5 remaining. Oh, Rose loose. And it's some fucking basketball. What a turnaround here in Palayan City. 82 all. What a comeback. Para sa Zamboanga.
See that shot right there by Edith Malinati, and that fell short. Gredo off of the race, his stride flying, an open teammate, Miles Salmon immediately catch and move, testing their little defense and getting that shot into
Chavez, they have time. Chavez, no man! Will not count though. Will that count? Wow. Will that count? I thought
I think it's worked out. I think it was just a time.
hold on to your horses, folks. Wow, he's the quicker to J.I. Chavez, and here he comes.
Wow. Yeah.
Yes!
Something like a
We're going to overtime. We're going to overtime, folks. J.I. Chavez sending this to a whole team with that